Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number in Microsoft Teams. This is particularly useful if you've switched to a new number or need to update your contact information for security and account recovery purposes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams and look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon, which typically displays your picture or initials. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various account options that allow you to manage your profile and settings. From the menu that appears, click on My Microsoft Account. This option is your direct gateway to all the comprehensive settings and personal information associated with your Microsoft account. Clicking it will take you beyond Teams itself and into the broader Microsoft ecosystem where you can make important changes. Once you click it, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft website where you can access your full Microsoft account dashboard. This is where all your account details are stored and managed. You might need to wait a moment for the page to fully load, especially if you have a slower internet connection. Just be patient as the system processes your request. Now that you're on the Microsoft account page, shift your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a navigation panel with several options. Look for and click on Your Info. This section contains all your personal details, including your name, contact information, and profile settings. It's the central hub for managing how you appear across Microsoft services. Within the Your Info section, you'll notice a subsection labeled Account Info. This is where your core contact details live. Click on Edit Account Info to proceed. This action opens up the interface where you can modify your phone number and other critical contact details. You'll now see your current phone number displayed if you have one already linked to your account. The next step depends on your situation. If you don't currently have a phone number associated with your account, you'll see an option that says Add Phone Number. Simply click it to begin adding your number for the first time. However, if you already have a phone number registered, you'll instead see Change Phone Number. Go ahead and click this option to update your existing number with a new one. And that's it. You've successfully updated your phone number in Microsoft Teams by accessing your Microsoft account settings. This ensures your contact information stays current for security notifications and account recovery. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.